difficult people in the workplace. Ayan. Kahit hindi lang academic setting, lahat ng work setting, 'di ba? Lagi may mga taong hindi mo gusto. At ang sarap i-report, 'di ba? Ang sarap i-report sa boss mo, sa supervisor mo, sa principal mo na parang they're so hard to work with, And I'm sure we can have kilometers and kilometers of criticisms, 'di ba? That we can report about these people. Sa mga pamilya lang natin, 'di ba? Many to mention. Ano pa kung colleagues natin, mga katrabaho, no? Lalo na kung kanyaring katrabaho natin, bago, mas bata, I'm sure we'll have many criticisms against them. And yet, what I learned from Teacher Sab is that during her early years of teaching, I believe, she was so tempted to do that. No, to report certain people, or I'm sure most of us to avoid them and to just look at their bad side, right? And how we can't function in the same workplace as them. But I loved it when she said, but how do I get them on my side? Because if you have a bigger vision, diba? You have a bigger vision, you can't fulfill that vision by yourself. You need all these people, even the asungots in the workplace, the asungots in your family. You need all of them to be able to also help you, no? Or share that mission together. Ba? So she said, how do I get them on my side? Because I have a bigger vision, which is to help the learners, the Filipino learners, especially the 27 million, 27 million public school students. And I can't do it by myself, no? How do I get them on my side? So sabi kong galing, nga no. And so instead of fighting them, she started greeting them in the hallway, getting to know their names, their stories. And she mentioned that there was one time that she invited a priest over to their school to bless the rooms, to bless the buildings. And as the priest was passing through all the classrooms and the offices, no? Syempre, may mga teachers, may mga administrators na nakalinya, no? And she found herself knowing their names, mentioning it to the priest, and giving the priest a little bit of background. Like, Father, please pray for this person. Nakunan po yan. Ay, Father, please bless this person kasi may sakit po yung tatay, etc., etc. And as she was going through all these people left and right, the priest was blessing supposedly the building structure, but also the people who were lined up, I guess, in that hallway. That's when she realized, wow, I know their names, I know their stories. In essence, she planted seeds. She invested in relationships. And isn't it empowering? Isn't it parang, I feel it so empowering when you know the name of the person and know even just a little bit of their background, diba? I mean, if you see somebody in the hallway, good morning, diba? Here, in where I am right now, just a while ago, I saw one of the technicians, bookstore, what do you call this, keeper, custodians, ganyan. When you know their names, they look at you differently, diba? Versus morning, good morning. Let's say her name is, I don't know, Miss Lita, no? Good morning, Miss Lita. Their eyes brighten up. And if you add something like, how's your daughter? Diba? Ay, alam niyo, may anak ako. Okay na ba siya? Is she better? Right? Tama si Sabe. Instead of fighting them, although it's human instinct, right? It's human instinct. Let us not forget we're human. And there are days I don't want to talk to you. Or there are days pabibo na naman, diba? And sometimes there are those scripts in our head, I can't work with this person. But then again, I'm reminded that if there is a bigger mission out there, you can't do it alone. So how can I get on their good side? How do I get them on my side? Maybe it starts with just getting to know their names, getting to know even just a little bit of who they are and what they are experiencing, especially the difficulties that they are carrying. May kasabihan nga, I forget who said this, but tears are the rivers that connect us all, right? Our sufferings, our daily challenges, no? Regardless of socioeconomic status, regardless of state or vocation in life. It's what brings us together, no? So, how do I get them on my side? Right? Di naman sa nagpapaplastic tayo, nagpapahipokrita. Pero maganda ring alalahanin na kung sino man yun, may pamilya din yan. Kung sino man yan, meron din mga problema na yan. Maaring di natin alam na pinagdadaanan nila. Diba? Ang dali talagang maghusga. It's so easy to judge a person. The thing is, we all make judgments every day. But that's different from being judgmental. And I believe that is the invitation of our Lord, no? We make judgments every day. Oh, it's hot. That's a judgment. Oh, this is taking too long. I could have finished this in 10 minutes. It's been an hour. And whatever, this presentation isn't done yet. That's a judgment. But to be judgmental, right? To, like, use words of contempt or criticism to bring down the dignity of that other person and make yourself higher and better than the other is what we hope we should avoid.